In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Adobe Acrobat from opening PDFs automatically. If you're like many people, you might find it inconvenient when Adobe Acrobat takes over every PDF file you open. It happens especially if you prefer to use a different program or app for viewing these documents. Well, today, we'll walk you through 3 straightforward methods to change this, ensuring your PDFs open just the way you want. First things first, let's change your default PDF viewer to something other than Adobe Acrobat. This step is the heart of stopping Acrobat from auto-opening every time you double-click a PDF file. Start by right-clicking on any PDF file you have stored on your computer. From the options that appear, choose Open With. You'll see a list of potential apps that can handle PDF files. This is your opportunity to select a different program, be it Preview, Chrome, Edge, or any other app you prefer. Once you've selected your preferred app, be sure to check Always use this app to open .pdf files if you're on Windows, or Change All if you're working on a Mac. Don't forget to confirm this change. After doing this, your PDFs will loyally open in the app you selected rather than Adobe Acrobat from now on. Next, we'll tackle Adobe Acrobat or Reader starting up automatically when your computer boots up. This could be just as irksome as it drains system resources and can slow down your computer's startup time. On a Windows machine, you'll need to open the Task Manager. You can do this swiftly by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape all at once. Go over to the Startup tab and hunt down Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader. When you spot it, select it and click Disable. This prevents Acrobat from launching at startup. For Mac users, a similar task can be done by heading into System Settings, navigating to General, then to Login Items. From there, find Adobe Acrobat and remove it from the startup list. Following these steps will ensure that Acrobat doesn't sneak its way into your startup process. Finally, let's prevent PDFs from auto-opening when you click on them in your browser. This is particularly useful if you find that PDFs instantly open in Acrobat while browsing. If you're using Chrome or Edge, kick things off by opening your browser and going into the settings. Type in Chrome/settings/content PDF documents if you're on Chrome, or Edge/settings/content/PDF documents. If you're using Edge, into the address bar. Once there, make sure you turn on the option that says Always Download PDFs instead of Opening Automatically. This adjustment will ensure PDFs will now download to your computer rather than automatically opening in Acrobat. And there you have it. With these steps, Adobe Acrobat will no longer be the default player in your PDF viewing experiences unless you choose it to be. Hopefully, these tips empower you to regain control over your PDFs and tailor your viewing experience to your personal preferences. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.